name is White Boy Erazukunda. I'm a fourth-year student pursuing Bachelor's of Photography at Marad University. So today I'm going to be explaining about the significant difference between histogram and bar chart. This is something that will mostly confuse because they all have bars and we don't know which one to say that. How do we differentiate a histogram for a bar chart? Or when do we use a histogram, when do we use a bar chart? So I'm going to be explaining this today. In this video, as you can see, I already have a bar chart and a histogram. A bar chart that I have is for presenting the population. This is the hair color, like the red color. As you can see, red color population for the hair is up to 400 people. Black blonde, it's up to 300 people. People with black hair is 500 people, and also people with white hair color is 200. And as you can see, the histogram I drew here, we have the population and the age of a certain region. From age of 0 to 10, it's up to 4,000 people, and then from age of 10 to 20 years, it's 2,000 people. Age of 20 to 30 years, it's 3,000 people. Age of 30 to 40 years, it's 5,000, and age of 40 to 70, it's 1,000 people. So as we can see, we're going to see the differences using this bar chart and histogram diagrams. From the visibility, we also see that a bar chart has space in between. You can see from here, red color is here, blonde, black, white. There is space between each, and the space is equally distributed. But as you can see, the histogram does not have space in between the bars when you're drawing it. That's a visible thing you'll see without for you to recognize that it's a histogram or it's a bar chart. And the next thing you can see, here the bar chart is categorizing data, categorizing people under those who have white hair color, black hair, blonde or reddish. But here, as you can see, it's showing the histogram. It's showing the quantitative data, how many people has from this age and this. It's the quantity or the age group of the people, and it's showing the distribution, the way the people are distributed in a certain way. But the bar chart is showing the comparison. It's comparing the both colors. As for histogram, it's showing the distribution of the people in a certain age group. And you can continue seeing the way bar chart is showing the discrete data, like each population, not like there is no range. There is no range between blonde and reddish or black color or white color. There's no range there. But as you can see here, in age group for histogram, we have a range from 10 to 20, from 20 to 30, from 0 to 10. It's a distribution of data, but here it's distinguishing comparison of variables. And the last thing that I'm going to talk about is the way the bar chart, it has only one dimension. We only consider the length of the chart. That's the way we see that this amount of people are here, this amount of things are here. As you can see from example, reddish, people with red hair color, they're 400. Like it's showing we only considering one dimension. But as for histogram, we're considering both two dimensions, the length and width. I'll give an example. As for here, from 40 to 70 years old, you can see the weight is from 40 to 70. Excuse me, I made a mistake here. It's 50 to make it, and then 60. As you can see here, the square there, it was only presented by 1 centimeter. 30 to 40, it was only presented by 1 centimeter. But from 40 to 60, it's presented by 2 centimeters, which is showing that you have to consider both sides, both the width and both the length are considered in this. So these are simple and significant differences between histogram and bar chart. Thank you for viewing.